Most people never see the salt they consume. It's hidden inside bread, canned soups, deli meats, and even sweet cereals. A single slice of processed bread can pack more sodium than a bag of potato chips, and that's just the beginning. The heart doesn't complain loudly at first. It adapts, pumping harder to push extra fluid through your arteries. Meanwhile, the blood vessels stiffen silently, and blood pressure creeps upward without a single symptom. Your kidneys work overtime to filter the excess sodium. Over years, that relentless workload damages delicate filters, increasing the risk of chronic kidney disease. The heart muscle thickens under constant pressure, and the risk of a sudden stroke climbs dramatically. But here's the good news: your palate is trainable. Within 3 to 4 weeks of cutting processed sodium, your taste buds reset. Foods you once thought bland suddenly become rich, and the urge for salty snacks fades naturally. Reading labels is your first shield. Look beyond the low-fat or natural claims. Check the milligrams of sodium per serving. Anything with more than 400 milligrams per serving is already a red flag. And remember, a serving size on the label is often smaller than what you actually eat. Cooking from scratch is the ultimate weapon. When you control the pot, you control the salt. Use garlic powder, onion flakes, smoked paprika, lemon zest, and fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme. They add depth and complexity without a single gram of sodium. Don't trust restaurant food either. Even salads at fast food chains can exceed 1,000 milligrams. Ask for sauces and dressings on the side. And when you do use salt, switch to potassium-based versions. They lower blood pressure while still providing flavor. Your heart and blood vessels are designed to last a lifetime. They don't need to be sacrificed for convenience. Every home-cooked meal, every label checked, every herb swapped for salt is a direct investment in a longer, stronger living pulse. Start today, and your future self will thank you with every heartbeat.